Rules of Criminal Procedure. Rule 113 Arrest. Section 5. Arrest without warrant. When lawful, a peace officer or a private person may, without a warrant, arrest a person. Letter A. When, in his presence, the person to be arrested has committed, is actually committing, or is attempting to commit an offense. Letter B. When an offense has just been committed, and he has probable cause to believe, based on personal knowledge of facts or circumstances, that the person to be arrested has committed it, and letter C, when the person to be arrested is a prisoner who has escaped from a penal establishment or place where he is serving final judgment, or is temporarily escaped while his case is pending, or has escaped while being transferred from one confinement to another. In cases falling under paragraph A and B above, the person arrested without a warrant shall be forthwith delivered to the nearest police station or jail and shall be proceeded against in accordance with Section 7 of Rule 1125A.